A lot of people ask me, what is my best secret to producing a killer voice? A teleprompter. Hi, I'm Vincia with Teleprompter Mastery. What I love about using the teleprompter when I record a video, it allows me to really focus all on my body language and hand movements. It has so many great things to offer, like the adjustable stand. You literally can make it as short as you need to as tall as you need. Another great thing is I can place my Canon 1DX Mark II right behind there, and this allows for the best recording quality through the glass on the market. In addition, this hood really helps block out all the unwanted light, giving you the best reflection quality. Without the hood, you still have the same effect. The only difference is now you can see through the glass, while still maintaining the reflection quality. This teleprompter looks so elegant and professional. It's super simple to set up. And don't forget about it being portable. I can literally take this anywhere with me, set it up super quick, and get her rolling. And the best part, you can order customized sizes for the Beamsplitter glass. And I can't forget to mention, the software is free. Change the size of your words, zoom in on the screen, and even change the color of the background and the words. It's totally up to you. Comment down below some things that you guys really struggle with when speaking to an audience. And also, comment down below what kind of videos you'd want to see. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to see more of our videos. And with that, I'm Vincia with Teleprompter Mastery. And that's the tea.